Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites, free disk space, and a stable internet connection. Once done, close Android Studio and kill Gradle and emulator tasks so installers can modify files. Make sure you back up active projects or rely on local history, and note your Android SDK path in case a reinstall is needed. Now open Android Studio as administrator so updates can write to program files. This gets you ready to trigger the built-in update mechanisms without permission errors. You check for IDE updates from Help Check for Updates and allow the downloader to run. This updates the core Android Studio binaries. Then open the SDK Manager and update SDK tools, platform tools, and specific build tools to match your project compile SDK version. Make sure to update the Gradle plugin in Project Structure and synchronize the Gradle wrapper by editing Gradle wrapper. Properties if prompted. Once updates are downloaded, let Android Studio restart so components initialize in the correct order and avoid version mismatch errors. You finalize by restarting Android Studio, then perform a clean and rebuild to ensure new components integrate with your projects. Make sure emulator system, images, and AVD configurations are compatible with updated SDK versions. Update or recreate AVDs if necessary. If a build or sync fails, check the event log for precise errors, then invalidate caches and restart to clear stale indexes. One key troubleshooting tip. If dependencies still break, revert the Gradle wrapper.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.